Hello friend, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create this exercise 21 step by step in AutoCAD. Even you are a complete beginner, so don't worry. I will explain every step simple and easy word. So you can follow along very easily. So let's get started. Step 1. Open your AutoCAD and set up your limits. Type UN, enter, set a unit decimal and precision will be 0.00 and insertion scale will be millimeter. Now press OK. Step 2. Start with rectangle. Type REC for rectangle command. Click on first point. Specify the first corner point. D for dimension. 21, enter. 8.4, enter. Click on your screen. Now we create this one and this one. Now we are going to fillet this arc. As you see in this picture, radius 4.2. So F for fillet, R for radius, 4.2, press enter. T for trim, use as a trim. P for polyline, click on your rectangle. Step 3. Draw the left side arc. It will be 1.6. So go to circle command using C, enter. Click on this center point and radius will be 1.6. Again create another circle. This one radius will be 2.35. So C for circle. Click on this circle center point. Put a value as a radius 2.35. Press enter. M for move, L for last object, enter. Click on your screen and as a 6. Press enter. Step 4. At the right side arc, it will be radius 1.6 as you see in this image. 1.65. So C for circle. Create on this circle center point. Radius will be 1.65, enter. M for move, L for last object, enter. Click on your screen, move right side, press a value as a 12.7, press enter. Step 5. Draw the internal shape, go to line command, hold the control key, right click on your mouse, use a tangent. First point, again same process, tangent, this one. Select this line, MI for mirror, this center point to this center point. Click as a no. Use TR, enter, T for cutting edge. Select these two lines, press enter, trim this circle and also this circle. Now create a line from this center point, just like. Again create a line from here. Select this line, CO for copy, as a 6, again as a 12.7. Select all these, go to properties and convert as a center line. Choose a color as a red. Need to change scale of this line. Need to change scale of center line. So select all the line, right click, go to properties, check as a line type 0.1, press enter. Yeah, if you go for 0.4 something. Now need to close. Step 5. Apply the angle as a 60. Now if you see here, from here, this angle it will be 60. So need to create from center. So this angle will be 30 and also this one is 30. So now create a line, L for line. From center point, use tab key, angle will be 30. Select this line using MI for mirror. Click on this line to this point. Press as a no. Now need to create this part. So offset will be 1.5. So now need to offset, O for offset, 0.75, enter, upward and downward. Use MA for match command. Select this line to match these properties. Now need to trim extra unwanted lines and circles. So use TR, enter. Again enter this one, also this one and this one. Need to zoom, Z enter, select this one. TR double enter, trim this one, also this one and this one. Step 7. Add dimension. DLI for dimension linear command first point to second point. Again select DLI for dimension linear command from here to here. DLI for dimension linear command from here to here. Add all the dimensions shown in the exercise image. For radius using DRA for dimension radius command, click this one to there. Also this one to check this one. And if you see this one to check this one. If you need to put value from here to here as a this one. DRA for dimension radius, check this radius. Okay, select all these diagram, go to properties, select as a line thickness 0.30. Step 8. Final check and save. Verify your drawing with the image. Save your file by typing save command, otherwise Ctrl S, and choose your location and save. You have successfully completed exercise 21. You can download the PDF of this drawing from the description box. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to give a big thumbs like, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more AutoCAD tutorials. And if you need personal support, you can join my YouTube channel. Connect with me directly. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I will see you next video. Happy learning. Keep learning. Tata. Bye bye. Take care.